Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Charge the phone to at least 50% and join a reliable Wi-Fi network to avoid interruptions. Back up your contacts, photos, and messages to your Google account or copy them to a PC over USB, because restoring without backups risks permanent loss. Make sure you know your Google account email and password, and enable developer options only if you must use USB debugging. This allows deeper access when the standard restore fails. Once done, proceed to the next step to perform the actual reset. You now run the reset. Open Settings, go to System, choose Reset Options, and tap Erase All Data to start a factory reset. This clears apps and settings but not necessarily internal backups. If the phone is unresponsive, boot recovery mode using the power plus volume key combo, then select Wipe Data/Factory Reset. This is more forceful and permanent. After the reset completes, sign into your Google account during setup, opt to restore apps and data, and let the phone download and sync. This can take several minutes to an hour. You finish by verifying that apps, contacts, and photos have returned. Re-enable two-factor authentication and review app permissions to restore normal function. If you hit an activation lock, sign in with the original Google account credentials. If that fails, contact the carrier or manufacturer for proof of ownership procedures. For restore failures, clear Google Play and Google Services cache, reboot, and retry the restore. Alternatively, restore from a local backup you made earlier. If issues persist, use safe mode to isolate.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.